This is Sean from Be Your Own Nerd. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 useful Windows shortcuts that I use on a daily basis. These aren't the 3 most popular Windows shortcuts. These are just 3 shortcuts that I use. If you have any useful Windows shortcuts of your own, please leave them down in the comments below. The first shortcut is to open Windows Explorer. And to do that, you're going to hit the Windows key and E on your keyboard. And it just opens up the Windows Explorer. Just real simple. You can go here, you can go to your Documents folder, you can go to your drives. You can just get to anything really quickly and easy. And once again, that's Windows key E on your keyboard. Another useful shortcut is Windows and the letter key D. Let's say you have a bunch of open applications and you want to quickly minimize them. Hit Windows key D and it will immediately show you your desktop. Windows key D and it will bring them all back. Really simple, really fast. And finally, another very useful shortcut is to open the Task Manager. And to do this, you're going to hit Control, Shift, and the Escape key on your keyboard. And boom, there's the Task Manager. A quick and easy way to open it up if you need to end task or see what's running on your computer. Remember, everything you can do with a keyboard shortcut, you can also do with your mouse. But the idea of a keyboard shortcut, it's a quick and efficient way to do it even faster than using your mouse. Once again, this is Sean from Be Your Own Nerd. You can find me at BeYourOwnNerd.com, or you can leave a comment below. Also on my website, I have a free weekly tech newsletter that I send out every Tuesday. You can sign up for that totally free. Thank you so much for watching, and have yourself a great tech day.